Seek harmony, understanding the phrase. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, seek harmony. It's a beautiful expression often used to convey a message of peace and balance. So, let's dive in and understand what it truly means to seek harmony. To seek means to look for or try to achieve something. Harmony refers to a state of peace, balance, and agreement. So, when we combine these two words, seek harmony suggests an active pursuit of balance and tranquility in life. It's not just about avoiding conflict but also about creating an environment where different elements coexist peacefully. Now, let's look at how to use seek harmony in sentences. The new mayor aims to seek harmony between the different communities in the city. In their marriage, they always seek harmony and understanding. As a team leader, her goal is to seek harmony in the team's dynamics. Using this phrase can add a touch of eloquence to your speech and writing. The idea of seeking harmony is significant in many cultures. For instance, in Eastern philosophies, there's a strong emphasis on the harmony between humans and nature. Understanding the cultural contexts can enrich your comprehension of the phrase and when it's appropriate to use it. Seeking harmony can be applied to personal development too. It's about finding balance in your own life, whether it's between work and leisure, socializing and solitude, or any other aspects that require balance. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase, seek harmony, in your daily conversations and writings. Remember, seeking harmony is about creating balance and peace in every aspect of life. Until our next lesson, keep learning and always seek harmony in your English language journey.